Today I'm going to be showing you guys these bath shower bombs. Oops. They're shower bombs. There's 15 in these by Body Restore. They are made with essential oils. They're not tested on animals. They're mood enhancing and aromatherapy benefits. So let's open the bag and see how they smell. There's 15 in here. Open. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. They come in like pre-packaged individual. It says directions. Place 1 tablet on shower floor away from heavy stream of water. Can't wait to try these. I'll let you guys know. So I got some of these. You can just get these from the dollar store. It's gonna be used to help you hang your shower steamer in your shower because you don't want to bathe in this. So we're just gonna put it in here and we'll put it in the bath, but you can use any kind of these little sachet bags. So we can go ahead and put this bad guy probably right here, but you want to do it after you start your shower. So you're gonna want to start your water. So the shower is going, and you can put it here, and that'll activate it. And then you put it up here so it's not in direct contact. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So with warm water and your shower steam, that will be all ready to go. So as you can see, it's already kind of starting to melt a little bit. But you don't want to bathe in it. Like I said, it's not a bath bomb, it's a shower steamer. So you don't want it sitting down here when the water is going. You want it up here, but you do want to activate it real quick with a little bit of water. And if you get a cute bag, it's a cute little decoration, and you could even go at the dollar store. Again, they've got little hooks that you can hook on. They've got little hooks that you can hook on to the wall as like a suction cup, and you can hang it from there. So many possibilities. Let's say you don't have a bag. If you put it right here in like any of your corners in the shower, that'll do good. Or if you put it up here, as long as it's not like down here. No, don't do that. If you put it in the very back, like on the floor, it would be okay. But you mainly want it up and out of the way. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. And please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.